Tired of dealing with weak, fragile hair that just won't hold up? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses but actually repairs damaged strands, without stripping your color or harsh chemicals. Mitchell Super Strong Shampoo offers exactly that. A gentle, color-safe formula designed to strengthen your hair from root to tip, leaving it healthier and more resilient every day. I've tried countless products promising stronger hair, but this one stands out. The mild surfactants clean without drying out my scalp or fading my color. After just a few uses, my hair felt noticeably thicker and less prone to breakage. What's more, it's vegan and paraben-free, so you're choosing a product that's as kind to your hair as it is to the environment. Shipping was fast too, which made restocking effortless. But the real magic happens when you complete the routine. Follow the shampoo with Mitchell Super Strong Conditioner to add manageability and extra strength. Then, use the Super Strong Liquid Treatment on damp hair to replace lost minerals and proteins, rebuilding your strands from the inside out. This 3-step system is worth a look if you want hair that resists damage and stays vibrant longer. If that's you, someone who wants to protect their hair without compromising color or health, Mitchell Super Strong Shampoo and its companion products offer a proven solution. Try it when you're ready to stop hair fall and start seeing real strength. Your hair deserves care that works as hard as you do.